Good morning students, welcome back to maths class again. Today we will start exercise 9.1, continue 9.1, question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U and B on the number line such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Name the rational number represented by P, Q, R and S. Now you can observe, we can say distance between A and B is equals to 1 unit. So, and it is divided by into 3 equal parts such that AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. And we can written 2 as 6 upon 3 and 3 as 9 upon 3. So, these are 3 equal parts. First part, this is your first P, this is Q and this is third. So how many parts? 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. So this P will be 7 upon 3 and Q will be 8 by 3. Another method also, that means this A is 2. So we can add 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 plus 1 upon 3. What is 2 plus 1 upon 3? When we are adding this, denominator is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 3. So, by observing also we can say P is 7 upon 3 and by calculating also it is 7 upon 3. Similarly, we can calculate Q. 2 plus 2 parts, 2 out of 3 parts. That means 2 plus 2 upon 3. So, it will become 8 upon 3. Similarly, the distance between U and T is equal to 1 unit and it is divided into 3 equal parts such that US is equals to SR is equals to RT and it is equal to 1 upon 3. Now see the figure here. In this 3 equal parts are there. So we can say minus 1 plus 1 upon 3. R will become minus 1 plus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 can be written as minus 3 upon 3. So minus 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So it will become minus 4 upon 3. So this is R. The value of R is minus 4 upon 3. Next, in this way we can calculate S. S is what? Minus 1 plus 2 upon 3. So minus 1 again we can write minus 1 as minus 3 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. So, and this is in bracket, so it will become minus 5 upon 3. Next question is, which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Now, this is, we have to calculate by multiplying also and by dividing also. Either we can multiply 3 upon 9 or either we can change minus 7 upon 21. Okay. So, in this case, you see 9 and 21, they both does not come in the same table. 7 and 3, they both does not come in the same table. So what we have to do, we have to convert both the rational numbers into lowest term and then check whether their lowest term are equal or not. So first of all, convert minus 7 upon 21 into lowest term. So minus 7 divided by 7 divided by the common factor. Common factor in this 7. So divide by 7. It will become minus 1 upon 3. Now 3 upon 9 in this common factor is 3. So divide by 3, it will become 1 upon 3. Now minus 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3, they cannot be equal. So we cannot say they represent same rational number. So they does not represent same rational number. Next part. Minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. In this case, minus 16 upon 20, you can see the common factor is 4 in this case. So minus 16 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4. It will become minus 4 upon 5. 20 upon minus 25. In this case, common factor is 5. So we can divide by 5 in this case, in the numerator and in the denominator. So it will become 4 upon minus 5. And we can say also this is minus 4 upon 5 because minus sign is in the numerator or in the denominator, one and the same thing. It doesn't make a difference. So we can say they represent same rational number. So minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. Either sign in the numerator or in the denominator, it doesn't make a difference. It represents the same rational number. Okay. Now come to the next. In this case, minus 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now, minus 2 and minus 3. The minus sign is in the numerator and the denominator. So, we have to remove this minus sign. Okay. So, how can we remove? We remove by dividing by minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. So, you will get minus 2 divided by minus 1 is 2 and minus 3 divided by minus 1 is 3. So, this is 2 upon 3. And 2 upon 3, when we are multiplying by the positive number, it is also 2 upon 3. So, we can say they represent the same rational number. Now, next part, minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20. In this case also, minus 3 upon 5, you can see minus 3 and minus 12. If we are multiplying by 4 in the numerator and in the denominator, it will become minus 12 upon 20. So, we can say they also represent the same rational number. So, what we have to do? We have to multiply by the 4 in the numerator and in the denominator. So, minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4 in the numerator and denominator, it will become minus 12 upon 20. And this is also minus 12 upon 20. So, we can say these numbers can represent the same rational number. Next, rewrite the following rational number in the simplest form. Now, what do you mean by simplest form? That means we have to convert a given rational number into a lowest form. Okay. And moreover, numerator should be positive. So, first of all, first method is we have to find the HCF of both the numbers. HCF of numerator and denominator, and then divide by the HCF in the numerator and in the denominator. Then it will become the simplest form of the given rational number. So, let us find out the HCF of two numbers, that is numerator and denominator. Now, what is the numerator here? 8 and denominator is 6. So, calculate the HCF. HCF is 8 and 6. 6 ones are 6, remainder is 2, and 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. So, what is the last divisor here? Last divisor is 2. So, what is the HCF here? HCF is 2. So, we have to divide by the HCF in the numerator and in the denominator. So, minus 8 upon 6 divided by 2 in the numerator and in the denominator, you will get minus 4 upon 3. And therefore, the simplest form of minus 8 upon 6 is minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now, B part. 25 and 45. HCF of 25 and 45 is what? Is 5. You can see here. 25 ones are 25, remainder is 20. Then 20 ones are 20, remainder is 5. Again, this 20 will become dividend here. 5 4s are 20, 0. So, last divisor is 5 here. So, last divisor is the HCF. Now, we have to divide in the numerator and in the denominator by the HCF, that is by 5. So, we will get 25 divided by 5 is 5, 45 divided by 5 is 9. So, the simplest form of 25 upon 45 is 5 upon 9. Clear? Next, similarly, this part, C part, you can do it yourself. First of all, find the HCF. HCF is 4, divide by 4 in the numerator and in the denominator, you will get minus 11 upon 18. Okay, next is question number 8. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of less than, greater than or equal to sign. If we have to find out the greater symbol, less than symbol or equal to, the first step is find the LCM of the denominators. Okay. So, let us find out the LCM of 7 and 3. The LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Now, what we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominator as LCM. LCM is 21. So we have to make 7 as 21. How can we make 7 as 21? By multiplying by 3 in the numerator and the denominator. So it will become minus 15 upon 21. And in this case, denominator is 3. So we have to multiply by 7 in the numerator and the denominator. So it will become minus 14 upon 21. Now, negative number is always lesser than the positive numbers. So we can say minus 15 upon 21 is less than 14 upon 21. And what is the value? Minus 15 upon 21 is the value of 5 upon 7. So minus 5 upon 7 write down here, and 14 upon 21 is the value of 2 upon 3. So write down this thing. So minus 5 upon 7 is less than 2 upon 3. Next part is minus 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 7. Now LCM of 5 upon 7 is 35. LCM of 5 upon 7 is 35. So we have to make denominator as 35. Now multiply by 7 in the numerator and the denominator, we will get minus 28 upon 35. In this case also minus 5 upon 7. If we are multiplying by 5 in the numerator and the denominator, you will get minus 25 upon 35. Now, in the negative numbers, smaller number will become the greater. That means minus 25 and minus 28. Minus 25 will be greater. So if minus 25 is greater, so minus 25 upon 35 is also greater fraction. And what is the value of minus 25 upon 35 is the value of minus 5 upon 7. So we can say minus 4 upon 5 is less than minus 5 upon 7. Next question is, which is greater in each of the following? Now 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. And we have to make the denominator as a LCM. That means 2 multiply by in the numerator and the denominator. You will get 4 by 6. And in this also multiply by 3 in the numerator and the denominator, you will get 15 upon 6. Now which is greater? 15 is greater or 4? 15 is greater. That means 15 upon 6 is greater than 4 upon 6. And what is the value of 15 upon 6? 5 upon 2. And what is the value of 4 upon 6? 2 upon 3. That means 5 upon 2 is the greater fraction, greater rational number. In this way we can calculate this second part also. Now, students, you have to complete till question number 9. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye class.